So this is my Mindmeister Badge challenge. Mindmeister allows you to create maps. You can see the one that I've shown here. And I'm going to show it in presentation mode right now. But in the first slide, I put in a quick video that gives you topics of physics. Not every single one listed in this video is ones that we're going to cover, but it does show you a variety of them. So there would be the video. In this as well, I put a little note right here that these are some of the many topics in physics. So when we go to the next slide, this is first semester of a class that I teach, mechanics. And so I wanted to make this little task right here that said by the end of first semester, which is approximately 113, I would have this 100% completed. I assigned it to myself, but of course I could assign it to students as well when they would be put into the database. But then when we branch off from that, there's kind of three main topics here. Energy is kind of hidden down here, but we have kinematics, dynamics, and energy. And then from that, it branches off as well. You can see I put an image here of projectile motion. I made a connection right here between two-dimensional motion and centripetal acceleration, so that when they get this far in the unit, they still realize to apply two-dimensional motion. And then the final one, kind of pan over real quick to second semester. I didn't break down all of these topics over here, but in E&M at least, one of the 4 units, I put a website that you could go to right here, and they can then obviously navigate through this. So very cool, actually. Lets you create a map, but what I also think would be really cool, instead of me presenting it to the kids, I think the kids in projects could create maps maybe on the history, scientists, and they could obviously kind of show trees and navigate many different ways. So I found this very, very useful.